What exactly is a merchant account, and is Airwallex one? This is a question many businesses, especially those expanding globally, find themselves asking. In the world of international finance, terms can get confusing. You hear about payment gateways, merchant accounts, and global accounts, but what's the difference? Understanding these distinctions is crucial for managing your finances effectively and choosing the right partner for your business. So, let's break it down. At its core, a traditional merchant account is a type of bank account that allows a business to accept credit and debit card payments. When a customer makes a purchase, the funds don't go directly to your business bank account. Instead, they are temporarily held in the merchant account until the transaction is settled, and then they are transferred to your business account. This process involves a lot of moving parts: the customer's bank, the credit card network, like Visa or MasterCard, and the acquiring bank that holds the merchant account. This system is effective, but it can be rigid and often comes with a complex fee structure and geographical limitations. Now, let's look at Airwallex. Airwallex isn't a traditional merchant account in the old-school sense. Instead, it offers a modern, all-in-one financial platform designed for businesses operating on a global scale. Think of it less as a single-purpose account and more as a comprehensive financial toolkit. While it does allow you to accept payments from customers, which is a function of a merchant account, it goes much further. Airwallex provides a global account that lets you hold funds in multiple currencies without the need for multiple local bank accounts. This significantly simplifies international transactions and reduces the headaches of currency conversion. Beyond just receiving payments, Airwallex's platform includes features like borderless cards for spending, the ability to make international transfers at a fraction of the cost of traditional banks, and integration with popular accounting software. This integrated approach is what truly sets it apart. While a traditional merchant account is just one piece of the puzzle, Airwallex aims to be the entire puzzle, providing a seamless experience for managing your business's finances across borders. So, while it performs the function of a merchant account by enabling you to accept card payments, calling it just a merchant account would be selling it short. It's a much more powerful and flexible solution built for the demands of the modern, global marketplace. It's a global financial platform that includes payment acceptance as a key feature, not its sole purpose. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.